In this lesson, I will teach you how to clean and cut a leek. Let's start with the cleaning. There's two different ways. The one is you will slice the leek first and then go wash it, and I will show you the second technique. Basically, a leek has a root. You want to remove the root and then place it down, and we're going to go on a cross without cutting the root. There is a lot of dirt in between the leaves here, so we're just going to go under the water and make sure that we clean this thoroughly. By leaving the root in, this will not disassemble the leek. It's just going to stay together while we're washing it. Now we're just going to pat it dry. We want to make sure that a cutting board is not slippery, right? Leeks have a whitish part, and then their leaves are thick and a little bit tough. We could still use them if we just remember to put those first in the cooking process and then add the white part. So this is cooked by the time the white part comes in. I prefer to cut the leeks on large dice but very, very thin, kind of like the paysan cut. So just go straight down. You can continue this process all the way through, but I do want to show you a second cut. A lot of people cut the leeks as well in a julienne. So you want to take part of the leek, then we're just going to cut a piece right here, cut it in half. And you already see that we started having little julienne pieces. And there you have it, julienne leeks.